आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question is evaluate. First part, integrate sin inverse cosx dx where limit of x should be lies between 0 to pi. Second part is tan inverse under root 1 minus cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 2x dx. So we will solve questions from first part. First part is given integration of sin inverse cosx into dx. To solve this question, as we know that we can know that sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So in place of this cos theta, we can replace it by sine pi by 2 minus theta. So replacing it, I can write it sine inverse sine in the bracket pi by 2 minus x dx. So as we know, sine inverse and sine will be cancelled out. So I can write it integration of pi by 2 minus x dx. Now when we split it, I get pi by 2 dx minus integration of x dx. Because pi by 2 is a constant part, so pi by 2 integration of 1 into dx minus integration of x dx. Now after integration, we can write it pi by 2 integration of 1 dx is only x minus integration of x is x square upon 2 plus c, which is a constant. So we can say integration of first part of the question is pi by 2x minus x square upon 2 plus c, where c is the integration constant. Second part is saying question integration of tan inverse under root 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x d. First thing we know, there are three formulas, identities of cos 2x. First I can write cos 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Second is 2 cos square x minus 1. Third is cos square x minus sin square x. In these three identities, we have to use that cancel the 1. Means here my 1 should be negative and here 1 should be negative, here 1 should be positive. So in numerator part means 1 minus cos 2x, I will replace it by this one, and in denominator part I will replace it by this one. Let's start the solution. So it can be written as integration of tan inverse under root, in place of 1 minus cos 2x I am writing, in place of cos 2x I can replace it 1 minus 2 sin square x, and in denominator part 1 plus cos, in place of cos 2x 2 cos square x minus 1 dx. Now when we solve it, 1 and 1 will be cancelled out, so I can write it integration of tan inverse under root, while opening the bracket 1 and 1 will be cancelled out, minus minus plus means 2 sin square x. In the denominator part, here 1 and 1 will be cancelled out, 2 cos square x dx. Again 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, so integration of tan inverse, and we know sin square x upon cos square x means tan square x dx. Now square and root will be cancelled out, so integration of tan inverse tan x dx, and we know tan inverse x and tan x. So tan and tan inverse will be cancelled out as they are inverse functions. So x dx will be remaining, and integration of x is x square upon 2 plus integration constant. So we can say that the integration of second part is x square upon 2 plus c. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।